Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. This evening I have got an unboxing. I came home from work literally about 15 minutes ago. Time now is what, it's 7:45 in the evening, and there was this in the hallway. Yay! So this is a Degustabox. This is the second non-beauty related unboxing I do on my channel each month. It's a box I'm still going to keep on doing, so it's not one I intend on dropping for 2020. Not yet anyway. I'm still going to keep on doing it. So what are Degustabox? They are a monthly subscription box for snacks, treat food, you know, the odd drink, the odd little quick meal, that sort of thing. So it's all kind of things that you can find in your local supermarkets. Sometimes they'll be, sometimes they'll be old favourites, like you might get a can of Heinz soup or something. You might get some tomato sauce or salad cream, just things that you haven't bought in a long time. But there's also going to be some new foods, things that are going to be introduced that are new to the UK market, and those brands want to introduce us to these products through this box. The box costs £12.99 a month, but I do have a discount code down below, and if you use a discount code you can get your first box for what do you get the first box for? You get your first box for £7.99. Right, so let's see what they got for December. You're kind of assuming that it's going to be a little bit festive, maybe a little bit celebratory. We hope. Who knows? Right, let's see. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Yep. Okay, you get a leaflet on top. So the leaflet basically says Degustabox December, and it's gourmet and fiesta. Ripa, ripa, she says. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. They've got a contest on the back here, and it says win a free Degustabox. Hello Degustaboxers, to celebrate the final box of 2019 we're giving away a free Degustabox to 3 lucky subscribers. To enter, all you need to do is follow Degustabox on Instagram, which is at Degustabox_UK. Post a photo on your Instagram page showing you all your friends and family enjoying the December Degustabox, or any of the products inside, and tag us in the photo at Degustabox _UK and hashtag my Degusta in the caption, and they'll be picking 3. Okay, so yeah, that's all you've got to do. So good luck, guys. Right, shall we go through this then? Looking forward to this. I've just seen another favourite again. It's obviously my month for Candy Kittens, and it is Tropical Mango. Oh, I had this one the other day. So this is Candy Kittens Tropical Mango. These you can get for, I'm trying to remember how much they are. Is it £1.50? Sainsbury's sell these. If you're lucky, you can get this. You can get them on special offers for £1. Very rarely though. But yeah, give me Candy Kittens anytime. Vegan, gluten-free, natural fruit juices, and it's just a really nice adult sweet, but you know, suitable for kids. But you know, us adults like to eat it, especially me because I've got a sweet tooth. Right, what does it say here? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Candy Kittens. Candy Kittens Tropical Mango. They're saying it's £2 here. If the cold weather is getting you down, transport yourself to paradise with our delicious new sweet, Tropical Mango. It will be joining our vegan range, which are also gluten and dairy free, use natural colours and flavourings, and contain real fruit juice. And they're saying it's £2, so that's the first item. I'm going to put those there. Right, next we've got, oh god, OTs. See, we've had a few things from OTs before, and I remember the flavour I had last time was some really nasty, funky flavour. It had oh, what's that? Cardamom in it, cardamom and some other horrible funky herbs in it. I love tea. I'm a big tea drinker. I mean, proper tea drinker. I've got my teapots, I've got my special cups, got my strainers. I love tea, and those are the first time I've received teas and I haven't drunk them. I mean, I've literally got a cupboard of all my specialist teas in there, and those are the first teas I actually threw away because nobody wanted them, which was like such a shame. So this one in here is green tea, cranberry, cherry and strawberry. I'm hoping I've got the cherry and strawberry. I wouldn't mind the green tea and cranberry. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, It's all of them. Yep, here we go. Brilliant. So this is worth £3.39. Ideal as a healthy mid-afternoon treat. Enjoy this classic tea that's been enhanced by sour cherry, zesty cranberries and exotic Asian aromas of fragrant lemongrass and bamboo leaves, complemented by sweet apples, classic strawberries and a touch of cornflower blossoms. This tea strikes the perfect balance between sweet and sour. Oh, it sounds lovely. Oh, this is right up my street. Yep, so, and it's available from OTs and Amazon and Ocado. Yep, so £3.39 for that. Perfect. That's right up my street. Perfect. So the first two items we got a hit. Then here, oh, we've got some street food stuff here. Blue Dragon Street Food Teriyaki Skewers. Right, so here we have from Blue Dragon Teriyaki street food skewers. These are worth £2.70. In Asia, the most exciting foods are not found in restaurants but on the carts and stalls lining the busy streets. Blue Dragon have taken inspiration from Japan's neon streets to create our teriyaki skewers kit, the perfect introduction to Japanese cuisine. Ooh, that sounds good. So this is available at Asda, Morrison's, Tesco, Waitrose and Ocado. Superb. So you just add chicken breast to these and you've got the marinade. So the kit actually includes teriyaki marinade, teriyaki sauce, sesame seeds and a bamboo skewer. So literally you just grill it or barbecue it. Oh, that would be cute. Me and my niece will do that in the weekends. My little niece, you used to see her quite a lot on my channels, probably last summer. She's 6, nearly 7. She loves cooking. She'll always come in the kitchen with me and cook. But I'm a bit scared of bringing her on the camera now because YouTube seems to have these rules now about bringing kids on film with you. So you have to declare if you bring a child on. So I just sort of think it's not worth the hassle to do it. So they're not doing that. Right. Going on with the same theme of street food, we've got this. So this is Blue Dragon again. And it's Thai Holy Basil Stir Fry Kit. So this is for stir fry, £1.50. Our aromatic Thai Holy Basil Stir Fry Kit contains 3 key elements: a base, sauce and topping. Take your stir fry to the next level and create an authentic Thai dish in your very own kitchen. That sounds cool, and it's £1.50. Well, that's cool. I do normally do a stir fry at least once a week. It'll be stir fry with noodles or with rice. I tend to make it a vegetable based one because I do like to do one veg based meal a week. So not every day is going to be a meat or a fish of some sort. Cool. Right, what's this then? We've got a jar of something here and it looks like that Very Lazy stuff. Let me see if I can open it. Chopped garlic, so it's Very Lazy chopped garlic. I've still got that. They gave us a lazy garlic tube the other month, a couple of months ago maybe. I haven't even finished using that because I'm very much a fresh garlic kind of person. So here we go. This is from Very Lazy chopped garlic. £1.50. Forget about peeling and chopping. Instead, save time in the kitchen with Very Lazy chopped garlic and bonus no sticky hands or chopped fingers. Turn your dishes into flavourful masterpieces in just a few seconds. Check out verylazy.com for recipe ideas, and it's available in all major supermarkets, which it is. So I might not keep that actually. I might just give that to my sister to use instead. Right, what have we got here? Oh, this is right down my street as well. I love stuff like this. So what we have here is Arden's Gruyere and Spinach Twist. Oh, these sound nice. They sound really nice. It takes 2 to make a tasty twist. In this case, our perfect pair is mellow Gruyere, cheese and vibrant spinach entwined with all butter puff pastry and baked to light flaky perfection. Scoff them merrily straight from the box, serve them with soup or dunk them into delicious dips. I'll be honest, I will want to save these to serve with dips, but I know what I'm like. I do love these twists because they're just light and crunchy and you've got a slightly oily taste. I just love stuff like this. Give me some cheese, give me some hummus and I'm sorted. So I'll try and save it for Christmas, but I'm pretty certain it'll be gone by the weekend and I'll have eaten it because I love stuff like that. This is why I can't lose weight. Stuff like that. You know, I'll be here blaming my illness and everything, but it's because I bloody scoff and eat all day long. Right, what's this? This is YouFit Crunches popped protein chips. So we've got YouFit Crunches sea salt and vinegar. This is a gift, so there's no charge for us to this. So this is YouFit Crunches offer the ultimate high protein and healthy on the go snack in the form of a delicious high protein popped chip with no more than 158 calories in each bag. YouFit Crunches come in 3 tasty flavours: smokehouse barbecue, sea salt and vinegar, and Thai sweet chili flavour. So go and buy the blue bag. I'm reckoning it's sea salt and vinegar. Okay, I will keep that. It might get eaten over Christmas. I mean, I basically keep a bowl in the kitchen. My camera's slightly bent. Or is it me? Yeah, I keep a bowl in the kitchen of sort of sweets and treats and stuff. So everybody comes to my house, they know if they want something sweet to eat, just go into that corner. There's a big bowl and there's literally all sorts of stuff in there. Chocolate, sweets, crisps, nuts, whatever your fancy is. There's going to be something there. I just like to keep that there so people can help themselves. Right, we have here. Oh yes, cashew nuts. Yes, cashews. Right, we have here. Where are they? Right, so these are gloriously grown. We've had this brand before, haven't we? Oh yes, they gave us the broccoli crisps the other month, which weren't too bad, you know. They were alright, those broccoli crisps. I haven't gone back and bought them since, but they were alright. That was last month, wasn't it, I think? So you've got gloriously grown Vietnamese jumbo wrapped cashews, £3. Discover the best quality fruit and nuts and experience a world full of exciting, authentic flavours. These are available from Sainsbury's and it's worth £3. So these are deliciously different nuts. Vietnamese jumbo wrapped cashews. So again, that sounds perfect for me. So I will try and keep that as well for Christmas. I know. What's this going on here then? We have here King Monty Sunny Orange or Pop Rice. This is worth £1.49 for this little thing. Chocolate for everyone. King Monty reinvents the best of the best and combines Belgian know-how with creamy rice milk. 100% plant-based, vegan, dairy-free and gluten-free, King Monty is the creation of a chocolate bar where you sink your teeth into without having to feel guilty. You should receive 2 items in your box, available at www.kingmonty.co.uk. So we've got one here which is mini chocolate snacks, chocolate for everyone. And there should be another one in here. Yep, here it is. This one is Sunny Orange and Pop Rice. Yep, there you go, there's 2. Cool. This is a nice box actually. So where's our champagne or something fizzy? What else we got going on here? This is these are Made Good granola bars. These are worth £2.90. An allergy-friendly and school-safe snack made from gluten-free oats. These granola bars are chewy goodness and contain the nutrients of 1 full serving of vegetables. All Made Good ingredients are ethically sourced. You should receive 1 of 3 items in your box, and these are available at Asda. So I like that, it's allergy and friendly. So this is chocolate banana granola bars. Sounds quite nice actually. And you get 6 in a box. Shall I open it? I'll show you what it looks like. These are good because I know, I inspect sort of food places, but I also do schools, and I know packed lunches in schools it's tricky because all the kids just seem to have allergies these days. I don't know if it's because we're not exposing the kids to enough bacteria and environment. I don't know what's going on, but all the kids seem to have allergies these days. You go into the schools, in school kitchens, and they literally, it depends on what the school does, but most of the primary schools, they have pictures of all the kids with allergens on them and what their allergy is. So it's got a nice little smiley face of the kid, little photograph in the kitchen. And honestly, I go into these kitchens and it's just a wall of faces of these kids. And it's like, what is going on now? Because I know when I went to school, listen, they could give me that pink custard and spotted dick and I wouldn't have winked and nobody would have said anything. You know what I mean? Back then. So there was no, didn't seem to be any allergy reactions when I was younger. Okay, yes, I'm going back 40 odd years here, but there's definitely something going on now where kids are more food intolerant and there's more allergens out there. Definitely something going on. So there you go. That's what the bar looks like. So it's a nice size to put in sort of snack boxes and stuff. So cool, nice, really nice. And I think I'm coming to the end here. Right, done that. What we have here is, oh yeah, Indie Bay. This is a brand we know well. Indie Bay snacks, chocolate pretzel bites, and you've got milk and dark, £1.25 each. Our new bites are a sweet treat that's indulgent and still packed with benefits. They're still made with ancient grains, they're still a source of fibre, and they're more delicious than ever, with fewer than 150 calories per chocolatey portion. Snacks with benefits just got cheeky. So we have here, you should receive 2 items in your box, available at indiebaysnacks.com, Amazon, at Whole Foods Market and Planet Organic. So we've got 2. We've got this one, which is chocolate pretzels, milk chocolate, which is good, and we've got one which is dark chocolate. That'd be the one I eat because I can't stand dark chocolate. Cool. Yay. That's a nice box. Definitely would have liked a bit of booze, but I'm asking for everything here. But yeah, a bit of booze, a bit of prosecco, you know what I mean? A little bit of a gin and tonic, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm tired. Alright, but nice box this month. So we've got these snacks, which are good. Cashew nuts, which are cool. We've got these protein crispy things. Granola bars. Lots of chocolate. I can just imagine some people saying, this is not a healthy box, it's too much junk. I don't care, I love food like this. This is right down my street. We've got some cook ingredients for stir fries, which I think is really cool. They'll get used this week actually. Teriyaki skewers. Got some tea, which makes me really happy. Candy kittens. And chopped garlic, which I'm probably going to give that away. But I think that is a pretty good box. What do you think? Have you got your box yet? If you do want to try out Degustabox, honestly, it's worth just getting these little boxes. Yes, the value is not going to be brilliant. I mean, we're paying £12.99 for it. You'll be lucky. This is probably, what, £15 to £20 in value? But what I like about it is that it's introducing you to things that you probably would never have tried before. I mean, I've tried these before because I'm a candy kitten glutton, so I'd like that. I've never would have tried these before. So I'm looking forward to trying that. These I think will be, if they go down well, I'll pick them up again. These are something I would buy, but I've never needed to buy them because I seem to get them often enough in boxes, but it's something I would definitely purchase again. To show it to you in English. I would buy that again. And everything else is just a nice treat for me really, so it's cool. Just missing the booze, that's all. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to show your appreciation by giving me a thumbs up. Oh, my thumb's swollen. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? You know what you need to do. Just press that subscribe button down below. And whilst you're at it, if you press the little notification bell, that will notify you when I do my next upload. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Bye. We'll see you soon. Take care.